starting on about page 21 of this thing. I would review some of this stuff too. Don't beat yourself up trying to read every word of this thing, because it'll just drive you nuts, but don't get caught up in all the detail and the weeds of this thing. And that's a key to a lot of things, right? There are some guidelines in this document. Bye-bye. That's the next. Type. Okay, here we go. What page is this? Page 23 of this document. The following table outlines the most common data types and when to use each. An analog device in floating point mode, you use the reel. Analog device in integer mode for very fast sample rates. Integer data type, ASCII, yeah, we don't care about that. Bit, bool, counter, digital I/O point, bool, floating point number, real, integer whole number, double integer. Sequencer, we don't care about that. And the timer. And most of it's common sense stuff, right?
What's a string of? What's a string?
A string?
Yeah.
It's made up of alphanumeric characters, right? So it has letters and numbers in it. It's a string of data with different types of characters.
So what does it mean by sample rate?
Sample rate. So the analog modules, they'll go out and grab data, right? The speed at which they grab the data, that's the sample rate.
Is that string, is that anything we particularly need to be concerned about? Because I see it says in chapter 3 of our book, but we never went over that.
No. None concerning.
It's actually got the chart on page 55.
Page 55, and that's probably in that PowerPoint also, if anybody.
So back to your original question though, about the bit and byte. What was the question? How many bytes does it?
Yeah, how many bytes are made or reserved for every tag, yeah. So every tag you create, and there's a good, yeah, yes, sir. There's a good graphic on that somewhere, I think it's in the book, maybe. They talk about
Well, the
that.
bool only uses one bit. But it doesn't preserve the actual byte, does it?
Well,
The single integer reserves a byte.
it reserves 4 bytes.
Even if you make it a bool,
Yeah,
if it's automatically it's a dent, but if you make it a bool, is it still?
it is. And let me see if I can find that in that PowerPoint. I hope it's in
Look on
there.
page 40 or slide 40 of the PowerPoint, that's what I'm looking at. A bool tag is one bit of data stored in bit 0 of a 4-byte memory. So they all have
That's right.
4 bytes.
That's right.
But it only reserves one bit out of everything.
There you go.
And the cent reserves 7 out of 4.
Workspace.
Yeah, there you go. Where's that graphic at? I just saw it. Like 40. There you go. Logic controllers are based on 32-bit operations. The types of data that can be a base tag are, and that's where it shows you. In the book, it explains this. It goes into a little more detail of explaining this. Is this where you were at, Scott?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Boolean base tag is 1 bit. Other bits are unused. Single integer, 8 bits.
But what was your question in reference to bytes?
How many bytes are reserved by the are used by the PLC whenever you create a tag?
Well, 4 is, yes, so that'd be the same answer for all of them, because
Yeah.
4 bytes are reserved for all types of.
That's right, that's right.
Let's go back to one second.
I don't think we can say that about timers and counters though,
And those who don't.
because we have the timer itself, then we have the preset value and the accumulated value, those are both double integer, right? And then we have the static bits. You guys remember that? I'm gonna go with 5,000 here. Remember we created a timer last time? The structured data type was a timer structure. Go ahead and, let's open up 5,000. And name the project your last name. And you'll probably want to save these today. Before you leave that. And once we get into the second half of this thing, you'll really want to save it. This first part,
And which one are we doing, 1769L 27ERM?
it's the L24, L24 QBF C1B.
Right there. Oh, 24, yeah.
I think we got it. I think all we did was push button. And a few of the- Oh, yeah. Double click it, does it just take a long time for it to load up or something?
Yes, you're as well.
Double click mine, it has to be.
Uh, We're gonna go through this for just a second, but after we do this, you'll have like an exercise to do. And then we'll go through that exercise too, once everybody finishes it up. In the second half of this thing, we're gonna get into graph set programming. Just to let you know where we're headed here. Does everybody have a new project open? Let's go into control tags. And go to the edit tags tab down below. And we want to add a tag. And let's just make a tag called timer. The data type has to be timer. And now let's expand that. and we were talking about the 4 bytes. You see a timer, and it applies to counters also. You see they use more than 4 bytes, right? They just do, because the preset value is a double integer, the accumulated value is a double integer. So the 4 bytes refer to bool, single integer, integer, floating point, and there was another one in there, real. I guess that is a floating point.
There's something weird popping up on this computer. It's okay to turn it on. He's trying to like open a timer 3 and a timer again.
I think it might be a small case for that type.
I've got full network.
Do you have the timer data tag?
Click. Dude, it's just like, dude, I told you not to get on my computer, dude. I was I want to sit there. He was like,
Just delete the tag and do it again. Hit escape. And I'll right click on the tag and delete it. Yes. It won't let you delete it. Here's over here.
yeah, change that timer. I just think that.
You can just start typing timer right there. Or
Yeah,
okay. Now.
Yeah.
Okay. And you should be good.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, I never know about these things.
And you always get scared you're gonna mess something up. It's always easier to
Nice, give us something up.
Good thing about it, we're in a classroom environment, you can't break it.
That's a good point.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Now's the time to get your hands on it here.
Crash the computer.
That's right, don't crash, something like that. I'll tell you those guys. Yeah, I used to get called in the middle of the night.
We should just have some. Yeah, I work with an engineer, he actually screwed up with where the bodies come through, the elevator, it slammed into the damn wall. They sent everybody home. They just made it out there, everybody go home, they burned it, they should have even tried it when it happened, it was funny, because there was 4 foot come through, we did it right from the door. He said, no, we can't get in trouble for shit. In 19 years, he shut that line down 3 different times for 4 hours or more.
Yeah, well, none of it was his fault.
That's somewhere where he's not here the longest.
Like Anderson, I did with them belt springs. It was along for the ride. You can ride it, you can ride it elevator.
There's definitely situations where you can't control.
I mean, that belt spring in here, that's real great. Here's the tags.
Let's go ahead and, we'll go ahead and work through this, and then, I'm gonna have you guys work through it on your own, and then we're gonna work through it together. If I can find it. And it's more of just to get you comfortable making tags and get you headed in the right direction of making tags and different types of tags, data types, that kind of stuff. You already have the project, so you're good to go there. So you'll create 3 global alias tags. Go ahead and work through it. And then when you guys get done, show me what you got. And work together, I mean, if you need to, if you want to, whatever.
3 global and 3 aliens.
So they're gonna be global tags, but they're gonna be alias two.
Okay.
So they're all gonna be global LEDs.
Yeah. Where do you create global tags?
Have you got controller?
In the controller tag, right? Yeah.
Can we just do it right under the thing? Or do you want me to delete the title?
You can keep the timer, because you'll have to do something with that. Excuse me.
So for the aliens, you have to come top right there. Certain one on here.
Yep, it says use the correct I/O for the corresponding push buttons and lights that are on the trainer.